Okay, Lebo cousins, this video's for you. Here are Oscar and Ruby. They're ready for bed. Oscar's got Ruby's hat on. Can you come talk to the cousins, Oscar?
Yeah.
Say, all right. Say, okay. Are you biting Mommy's knee?
Yeah.
Don't bite Mommy's knee. Say, be nice. Be nice. Say, be good.
Be good.
What do you see outside?
Car.
Uh-huh. What else?
Car.
Uh-huh. What else?
Car.
Uh-huh. What else do you see? You see any animals?
Yeah.
What do you see?
Car.
Uh-huh. Ruby, what do you see?
Bee.
You see a bee?
Yeah.
What's a bee say? Oscar, where'd you put that J? Where's the J? Go find the J. Where's the J? Where'd the J go? I don't know. Can you find the J on the book? Where's the J button? Look, there's a button. Whoa, Ruru. You're okay. Where's the J? What is that? Say what the book says. What is that? It's a zipper. See, we say Z, zipper. You got a boogie? Umbrella. Hold on, let me get your nose.
Turtle. Rose.
Rose, that's right. You want to hit some more letters?
Yeah.
Here, what's
J. Jack in the box.
say Jack in the Box.
H. Horse. L. Lizard.
What else do you see?
Y. Yo-yo.
What's that? What do you have?
Money.
Bracelet. What are you wearing on your head? What's on your head?
Really?
The bracelet's not on your head. The bracelet's on... Ruby, can you give... Oh, that's not nice. Can you give the hat back to Oscar, please?
Yeah.
Give that back to Oscar. Go give that to Oscar. You gonna give it back? Ruby, are you gonna give it back? You gonna put it on his head? There. Aw, that's nice. Thank you, Ruru. Thank you, Ruru. You trying to put it on his head?
Violet. Y. Yo-yo.
You trying to put that hat on him? Bubba.
Turtle.
You see an eye? Where's the eye? Where's the eye? You're right. Oh my God. That is an eye. Do you see the J?
Yeah.
Where's the J? Where's the J? That's an H. Where's... Here, look. Let me see. Flip it over. Okay, where's the J?
I know.
Find the J. Where's the K? There's the K. Okay, you want to put the hat on? Very pretty, Ruru. K.